How to edit DNS in Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings and just click on settings. Now right here we have to locate the domains tab and just click on domains, and it's going to load up your domains right here. And I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to use this Help Center article, but basically it's going to load up your domains, and we have to click on the three dots next to your current domain that you're using for your website. Then you will see an option to manage the DNS records here, and you just want to click on manage DNS records. You can add records, you can edit a record here. As you can see, we can edit the DNS record. We can also delete a record or add a new DNS record. Now, this is going to be super helpful. You can just click on go to domains here from the Help Center article. If you type out DNS Help Center Wix on Google, and you can just click on go to domains here, and if we click on it, it is going to load up the domains page straight up. But that's how you do it. That's how you edit domains or DNS, sorry, on Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.